What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I've done some videos. I've been working on some, but we'll put some hay out this morning for the goats. And I want to show you guys what I built. I added on to my little barn I got here, and I want to show you guys. I think it turned out pretty good, so I got more area for them to get into. If I want to set up some little pens for nannies when they're kidding, I can do that. So I'll show you guys me building that. So we got a little bit of drilling going on today. We're going to be setting our posts, and then I'm going to make a 10-foot lean-to off this building, and I'm going to put some stalls in here for kidding, just a little bit more to keep them out underneath the weather. On this one end is going to be open. This end right here I'm going to wall it up and put these deck boards on it, and then we'll have the 10-foot lean-to, and it'll be 20 foot long. But today we're drilling holes with the steel auger. But we'll try to get this on video and show you what we got going on. But y'all stay with us. Well, we got our got all of our poles set, and now we're gonna let these dry, and then tomorrow we're gonna wall up this wall back here. So this will be a solid wall right here, and then we'll put our roof on, and that'll be it. Alright, so it's time to turn these girls out on this winter pasture that I planted. I got it growing up doing good, so I'm going to let them graze it for a little while. gonna turn them out on this and let them graze this for a while, and then I got another pasture I can open up, but I got the grass coming up. It's about 4 inches tall, so I'm gonna let them graze it for a little bit and then move them on to another pasture. Yep. Alright, so put a little bit of mineral out, and I put another block out, one of the molasses tubs for the goats. I want them to stay in the best shape possible. They're heavy bred, they're like a couple months out, and they're starting to bag up a little bit, and I want them to have the best food they can get. But I want to show you guys this barn I built, or this lean-to I put on this barn. So as you can see, I got plenty of space in here under roof now. It's 10 foot long, it's 20 foot long by 10 foot wide. So I'm gonna eventually put some stalls in here, kidding pens. But I think this turned out pretty good. I like it. I intend on adding another section to this other side over here. Eventually I'm going to do the same thing over here and make it to where I've got plenty of room and shelter for the goats to get into. Before, they had these little portable huts that I have and had this little space right here, and now that I've added on that, it's a lot more dry area for them, for when they're kidding, because you never can tell what the weather's going to do here in Texas. But I want to thank my buddy Jason for helping me. He helped me roof it last night. We worked till dark to get it done, and without his help I couldn't have got it done. my wife helped me set the poles, and I appreciate that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I got more projects coming up. I'm going to document these goats and how they're doing, and ready for kids to start hitting the ground. Should have lots of good babies on the ground. But I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for the next one.